Okay, each of these can do up to 20. So we're going to put these in here. We're going to lightly cover them because they'll pop back up. Okay, but I want to put the bigger ones in these bigger tubs here. Make sure we get those roots good and covered. We'll put this one in a little cockeyed there. And then this one will probably need a super big space here. Get it all. Okay. And I think we can put one more in here. Alright. So there we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What we would call tuber things. They're like potatoes. And then we'll come over here. I'm going to take this small one, and we're going to go over here. And then you stand over there. And we're going to put the small one in here because I want to see if we can grow smaller ones in pots like this. Small. There. This one's smaller, so we're just going to put maybe 4 or so in here. This is a bigger one. We'll put it right in the middle. And you just want to get those in there so they have plenty around them. Okay, here's a smaller one. Smaller one. Okay. Then over here, we'll bury that. Here my goats, they're screaming their heads off. There we go. And these are the Jerusalem artichokes. They are not going to grow the bulbs. They grow like taters. All right, so how many did we plant total? 4, 10, 11. 17 total plus 1 that didn't sprout. And we'll be back with updates.